faded dark spots, faded dark acne marks. Will it go away? Will it go? I hope so. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Roche, aka Beautymagz. I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, product reviews, educational videos, as well as lifetime vlogs. If that interests you, please consider subscribing and hit the bell for future notification if I've loaded a new video. My expectation for this would take a while, but in today's video, I'll be introducing two products and how I faded my dark spots. In my current state right now, my dark spot is not yet gone. They're still there, they're still visible, but the result, am I happy? Yes. So what are my thoughts about it? Let's go dig into it. So in today's video, I'll be talking about retinol, how I apply it to my face. Actually, it's like I'm a beginner in this. I am not an expert, just a disclaimer. I just started doing retinol because of my problem areas. I have fine lines, wrinkles, flaky skin. I have dark spots, acne marks, and that's a lot to cover. I have the age reverse serum. It's a retinol. And this is about 2.5%. And then I have this Miracle Repair Serum, which is a niacinamide, but this has vitamin E and licorice extract. What did my first step of like fading my dark spots or acne marks? The very first is I do a toner, making sure first that my skin is really dry. When you do retinol, make sure your skin is fully dry. When you get out from the shower, put your face dry, and then do a toner. And then after that, wait for 10 minutes until it really dry. Okay, retinol with water is not really good, so make sure to wait. Okay, so application. The very first day I applied it, guys, it was the wrong thing. It has 2.5%, which is, I think, the ideal for a beginner would be like 1%. And with sensitive skin, it's better that way, but this one is 2.5%. But luckily, for my first day of use, I don't have any like reaction to it, to the product, so I was kind of happy. My wrong mistake, put it in my palm and then spread it like that. No. Okay, so this is the product right here, guys, so I can just show you. So this is what it looks like. It's like those medicine, right? It has a dropper right here, and I do like 3 or 4 drops of this, and I put a drop here in the palm of my hand, and then mix it like that. I'll rub it together and then starting from here, and then spread it all over the outer perimeter of the face first, and then like do like that. And when it dries, or you feel like it already dries, or you spread it already, and then you're gonna start with your fingers here, the end of your fingers, and then move to the areas where you have sensitivity, like here, and then you just massage it like that, here, the crevices of your nose, your mouth, and here, and then just, you know, like top and everything like that. That's how you do the application of retinol. Yes, guys, like you, I make mistakes too. Okay, so I am a beginner, and luckily, guys, for this product right here from Luxe Organix, what works for me is that I apply it, like for example today, there's a gap like 3 days. Yes, so in a week I can only do it between 2 times in a week. It is suiting well with me. I tried it like every other day. It doesn't work for me. It makes my skin more and more drier and very sensitive, especially in the areas right here. Every other day is not good. Probably every couple of days, like every 3 days. In a week, twice only. So I used this for about 2 weeks until I introduced a second product, which is it's the same company, Luxe Organix. I feel like they are more good in terms of like how good their quality of products is out there. So I really do like it. And this is called Miracle Repair Serum, and this is niacinamide, and it has 4%. Niacinamide for a beginner or a sensitive skin, better to have a lesser potency, like maybe like 2%, or yeah, 2% is ideal. Prior to this, I did use Pond's. I will insert a clip here as to my review for that. I thought that it's gonna work the same. This has more concentrate. It has more to the product. The very first time I tried it like twice a day and straight for like 2 days. And on the third day, I become sensitive. Like there's like a burning here on my top of my cheek, which is always my problem area. And so I said, oh, this is not good. So I skip a day to relax my skin. And then on the following day, I did only once in the morning. After that, with the retinol and stuff like that, over a week time frame, now I get the bottom like structure as to how will I do it. So the best way for me to do it is I do this every night. Okay, not in the morning, because I have also serum in the morning. I have vitamin C in the morning, and I'm just plain moisturizer and sunblock. So I will be using this at night, and then after 3 days I will do retinol and with this, and it does work. So for me, doing that way does work. For the retinol, it does have a result on like the 2 weeks. Okay, I see lighter, like my here in the middle of my face starting to light, and here is the one spot here is a little bit more hard-headed. So it does take a while, but did I see results in 2 weeks? Yes. For retinol, result comes 2 weeks, and then niacinamide, it does come for me at a 1 week frame. I'm almost a month now with retinol, which is really good, over 3 weeks now, and I am happy about it. My fine lines and wrinkles is starting to get a little bit of improvement. My flakiness too here, like my dry areas here and here, my chin, starting to getting better. And also for the niacinamide, this one is a little bit more tricky. I need to really work on it some more. Sometimes there are days that I do away with it because I get more sensitive, but we'll see. Right now, every day at night, and then with retinol every other 3 days, and it does work now with my skin. This is how I try to remove my dark spots on my face, and with the 2 products here. And we'll be updating this video in about a month or so. We'll see. Retinol does take a while. Niacinamide maybe like 6 weeks. We'll see how it goes, and I'll give you my update if we can really get to this. Also, please watch the end of this video. I will be inserting a video right here for my recommended serum, and please watch that as well after you watch this video. That's it, guys. This is my video for today. I hope this video helped you in some way, and if you do, please give this video a like, share this video as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for future notification. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye. Oh, before I forget, the very most important thing for this product to really work, guys, to not make it worse, please use sunblock, please, and cream, like moisturizer, because it tends to get your skin dry. Moisturizer and heavy sunblock. Okay, right, bye. Why are you laughing in?
It's funny.
Funny.